Hello. What we're doing here is we're looking at our integration that we've done for Salesforce. As any of our customers would tell you, we want to make sure that any information that we're gathering from a customer is put in a central location. In this case, we're putting it in Salesforce. And to do that, you can either look at that information by case number, by ticket number, by article number, by contact. You define it and you set it up. In this case, we're looking at a specific contact, and I'm going to look at his cases and see if there's any open cases that are available. What you'll notice right from the start is here we are, we're in Salesforce. Your team doesn't have to learn anything new. All they're doing is using something that they're comfortable with already. I'm going to pick a specific case, and we're going to review the information, any of the activity. Because we've worked with Salesforce closely, you'll notice that the information, if we wanted to start a specific session, it's just right here, virtual remote assistance. But before that, let's take a look at some of the information that we have on file. And I'm going to see that with this customer, we already have a session that was completed with Blitzz. There's images that are available for us to review and take a look at. We didn't do any recording, so there's no link to a recording session, but we also have files here. All of this session history is available within Salesforce as soon as we complete the session. If you need to gather anything new, well, as I mentioned earlier, you just go to Virtual Remote Assistance and you just say Next. Now here, what's going to pop up is the reference information that's automatically filled in for you, but we're going to go ahead and send out a text. And that text is going to put in a country code here. It looks like we may have gone through and spent some time working with another customer, but here I can go ahead and put in a phone number to work with. I'm going to put in a phone number for us to call out to gather more information for this specific case. I'm going to invite and join. And as I mentioned, it's as simple as that. You click, you invite, and you start your Blitzz session. Starting your Blitzz session sends out a text message in this particular example, and you're just waiting for the person to go ahead and start that session. As soon as they do, they're going to go ahead and take a look at the information. They started it immediately. All of your Blitzz tools are available here in the bottom for you to work with. And you can do something as simple as just taking a picture if you want to. Take a photo. That's going to be added to that specific case information. If I wanted to go ahead and extract text, I can do that as well. I can gather, like I said, I'm gathering some more information. I'm going to go ahead and review that information, and let's just take a look at it, make sure it's what we're after. Sure is. Let's go ahead and we're going to keep that. So we have that information that's being stored. If we want to, we can go ahead and save it as well. All of that information is available. Once again, it's as simple as starting that within the Blitzz session. And I'm going to take a look at that. I'm going to go ahead and close it, and I'm going to go back right into Salesforce. And I'm going to take a look at the sessions that we have that are available with all the information that we've gathered. Once again, Blitzz tries to do as much as possible for you, as simple as it can be, and just reviewing all the information that you have. And here's the call that I just went ahead and completed. If you take a look at it, here we have the information that was there. We took a couple of images. We took a file that we had all of that. We took some additional text. We reviewed some of the text. It's available for us to take a look at. Keep that in mind. We try to make this as simple as using an existing tool, in this case Salesforce, that you're used to working with, and you're allowed to go ahead and just use it again and again to gather that information. You saw how simple it added that information right to you. So hopefully this helps. You see how simple it is for you to take a look at something within Salesforce that let's gather additional information. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to Blitz and we'll go ahead and schedule a demo to show you how to use it as well as to install it on your existing instance. Take care.